So here it is, one complete BMW 140i, and what a journey this car has been on. It looks absolutely incredible, and in this video I'm going to show you the full build before giving it to a subscriber. So whilst those clips are rolling, I'm going to be preparing this car ready for Chris, who's going to be collecting it, as he's just won it for £9.95. Remember, if you enjoy the video, hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button. See you at the end.
I don't believe that you're leaving me. We don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. I'll be being alone and I've got you on my mind. My phone and you're happy being alone and I've got you on my mind. Taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave. My phone and you're happy being alone and I've got you on my mind. Taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave. Checking my phone and you're happy being alone and I've got you on my mind. I don't believe it, I'm thinking that we don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. It's not right, you're trading numbers with some at my party. Oh, taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone and I've got you on my mind. believe in love anymore. checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind. Taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind. Taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind. I don't believe it, I'm thinking that we don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, 'cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. It's not right, you're trading numbers with some dude who's at my party. Oh, taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind.
It's not too bad. It's not, the idle is nice. That actually sounds pretty good. That is sick.
I've got you on my mind.
Well, that is a lot louder already, I can tell. Woo! Oh my god, that is actually so loud. Improvement, definite improvement.
I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind. I don't believe it, I'm thinking that we don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, 'cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. It's not right, you're trading numbers with some dude who's at my party. Oh, taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you.
So here is the open diff and here is the LSD, the limited slip diff. Oh, the 8.5 is going, come on! 140 is left it! Absolutely left it! Let's go!
You on my mind.
First run. This is gonna be stupid. It's so loud. Give it some. Oh my god, that is stupid. 533 bhp. Oh my god! This car has well and truly pushed my mechanical skills to the next level, and look at what we've got to show for it. I'm really going to be sad to see this one go, but it's on to the next one, on to the next build, and I couldn't thank you all enough for all your support that you show me throughout this whole channel. It really wouldn't be possible without you guys, but it's time for the 140 to go.